Abakakiiko k'Obururu omu Hoima bayemereza okutorana abebembezi aha bwa Town Council eya Burindi bwanyuma y'obukonji kwijaho ebishushani bitari eby'abesimbere. Abesimbere hariho Moses Kajura owa NRM hamwe na Robert Ayebare Otiine Kigombe kandi aba bashanga amazina gabo n'ebishushani bitari byo.
We are so much disappointed when they opened the ballot boxes. We found out that the names for the mayorship, Burindi Town Council, we are free, we are contesting, but they brought a ballot with 4 candidates. And the one who has the bus is called Oriem, and whereas me, I'm called Kajura Moses. And through very many hardships, we had organized our voters to come and elect us, but all in vain. They have been disappointed by the local commission for what they did.
Tusangire Obururu nibutakusoma kunu busoma handi gali mazima abantu bayizire koma beta abantu bagarukireyo kitukumanya kike kigende omaiso nete tulindirire kike kibakutugambira.
Kandi omukarura kaba kansara abakazi aba Central Ward B nabwo mu Town Council eya Burindi byarahanga Betty Violet owa NRM hamwe na Scovia Chiza owa Independent bashanga obukonji bw'Obururu hijo bwa polling station emwe aha polling station zishatu.
Tuchiremu sazamu ajja kuba ne baba communication ajja kuba yodi habwa ebizibe bibairemu aba yesimbire oti balino bayizire akapapura kaitu akakaruru ayiziremu akekicheka kindi so kuruga head office basamba gamba ka LC3 akasazibwemu kyonka akabasigaire kagendo maiso. In fact nakabakazi ba direct women councillors female councillor mu Central Ward B nako kasazibwemu abokuba nabyo bibaire bityakwatagana nabayesimbi.
Hassan Takwana orukure by'Obururu omu district ya Hoima najirangwa bukonji bw'Obururu obubasindikira mu Town Council eya Burindi bubire buryo bwa district endijo.
Tufunyemu ko kutatatanzibwa kumacha otubadde tutandika okulonda mu Burindi Town Council twesanze nga bakandidate ba obwero sifiri chairman sifiri nga bonna siba Burindi Town Council. Kati bwetugedde muko ne bakama bafe Kampala netukiriziganya nti tusazeemu okulonda kujja kuddamu kutekekebwe ng'abantu abaliko bebe Bulindi bennyini abeewandiisa.
Omu myanya ndijo okuteera karuru kwaba okwihorere n'obw'abantu biija bakye.
Buli ntebe tubaye tugendaho 5 bakeya twaikala ntuniira ngu statistically na LC3 bajja kwongerako akandi amananu bakehere omuntu bw'okuba mwikirira omukoka mwesengereze okusanga atayizirekomu.
Otugamba koma abakansara abo bwire buna isimbiro abakansara basatu abakazi isimba abakansara basatu abasaiji ati abakansara abo abaraba komeru abaraba baina abantu babo for example ba family members bakagwa ijyo tukwandi koma kibongerengo LC3 tukoma bamenye kiro kindi bali balifuna mana gako koma.
District ya Hoima eina magombora 11 hamwe na Town Council 3 eziryo mu mashaza 2 aga Kigorobya hamwe na Bugahya. Amakuru gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto ahabwa TV West.